NBC 15 weather with Chief Meteorologist Alan Seals, certified most accurate forecast by Weather Rate.
We have a quiet start to the weekend on the northern Gulf Coast, but you must stay focused on Fred. Still a tropical depression, a weak system, which makes it hard for computer models to grab it and project it well. But we do know maximum wind just 35 miles an hour. And look at the difference. Some of the older models, which were projecting it from the northern coast of Cuba, were a little more eastward. Now over Cuba, models projected a little more westward, bringing it closer to our area. And of course, your eye looks at all those models clustered together just to the east of Destin. Well, remember this, 3 days out, forecast accuracy is still 100 miles possible error in any direction. So that's not to say it's only that possibility. We still have to watch carefully in the rest of the NBC 15 area. The wind speed average error 3 days away, 10, 15, 16 miles an hour. So keep that in mind as you look at the forecast cone. Fred will get back to tropical storm status. By Monday, likely with winds of about 60 miles an hour, with the center anywhere within that cone. That's 240 miles across. 60 miles an hour, plus or minus. It could be plus or minus 10 or 15. So it could be a weak tropical storm, a strong tropical storm, possibly a minimal hurricane. You will notice, though, the watches haven't really been issued too much farther northward along the west coast of Florida. The reason why is that forecast track now is a little more west of the peninsula. So they're not likely to see tropical storm force winds there. It's going to be a small system to start, and as it grows, those winds won't extend out that far that fast. Later tonight, though, early tomorrow, we will see watches issued for the northern part of the Gulf Coast. Can't say exactly when or where, but that's what you've got to keep up to as you plan your weekend. There you see the rain projection, just like yesterday. Heaviest rain, South Florida, ½ a foot. North Florida, 3-4 inches. If we are lucky, it won't be that much rain. We don't have to be concerned about tornadoes here. South Florida starts to see a tornado risk as the feeder bands move on shore tomorrow. Central Atlantic, the other system, the one that was earlier a potential tropical cyclone, and that told us that it would become a tropical system. It was on the verge up until mid-afternoon, and then it became one. And if you wonder about that word cyclone, a cyclone is any low-pressure system. Technically, that includes tornadoes, winter storms, tropical storms, hurricanes, tropical depressions. So it's a catch-all phrase, just like vehicle is a catch-all phrase for your car, your SUV, a bus, your motorcycle. There's now that system. Tropical depression number 7, a minimal system not too far from the Caribbean. So within 48 hours, it will impact those northern islands, likely as a tropical storm. The overall forecast track over the weekend into next week, very similar to Fred. Not identical, but similar and typical, which is east to west. And look at Wednesday. You see that projection having it approaching South Florida, possibly getting in the Gulf in the middle of next week. So there are two things we're watching. The first one is Fred. We've got to watch that carefully. The second one will likely be Grace. That is the next name on the list. Watch the clouds, though. At least those are peaceful today. They're nice and small and gentle. We haven't seen too much rain. We had some pop-up thunderstorms in the Florida Panhandle, and now we're seeing just a handful in northern Mobile County, southern Washington County. They aren't going to amount to too much. Here's your 7-day tracker. 40% rain coverage tomorrow, increasing to 50% Sunday. On Monday, 60% regardless of where Fred is. Now, if Fred comes here, that number will go up, so you've got to keep up.